Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Matic can see a break above the $0.714 mark in the next coming hours if we see a reaction of a target area that we are now trading within. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that I'm keeping my eyes on is at around the $0.678 mark, and a break above that we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and see a break above the $0.71 mark. We have also seen a break above this descending trend line that I've been having here on the charts, and after seeing the breakout to the upper side, all we now need to see is a retest of this descending trend line, and once the retest is in and a success, then we can easily see Matic give us that bounce to the upper side, giving us a break above the $0.71 mark. We are also seeing a reaction of a target area that I have here on the charts, which is the area highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, which is an area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows that we made on the 10th of June at around the $0.52 mark. So using the Fibonacci's, connecting it from the low of that first wave, that is that low at around the $0.52 mark, to that high at around the $0.89 mark, I got a minimum target area to the lower side between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and this is the golden ratio here on the Fibonacci's, and there are high chances that Matic is going to give us a reaction of this target area and start gearing up and see a break above significant areas of resistances. And from the low that we made on the 10th of June, I have been terming this movement to the upper side as a first wave to the upside. So whatever we have here on the charts is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And the moment you see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up, and we continue gaining a lot of momentum, breaking above resistances, then we can continue expecting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Matic chart. And also remember that we also need to have a breakdown move, because there are also chances that we might get rejected at significant areas of resistances, and if such a movement plays out, we need to have bullish support areas that we need to continue holding. And using the Fibonacci's once more, connecting them from that low of that first wave to that high of that wave 1, I can now extend the target area back to the fib level 0.78, and that is at around the $0.602 mark, which is an area that we can expect Matic to continue holding, so that we can still expect higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term here on the Matic chart. And zooming out to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis, where you can see that Matic last year in June gave us a low at around the $0.32 mark. Then we started gearing up impulsively, where we picked in that 5-wave structure, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas, giving us a low at around the $0.52 mark. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and we are now ready for that impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And to confirm to us that the low for the second wave is in, we first need to see Matic give us a complete 5-wave structure to the upper side, followed by an ABC corrective structure. And the moment we see such a movement on the charts, then that is enough confirmation that we are now getting impulsive in the formation of this wave 3, and I'm expecting the third wave on the Matic chart to give us a break above the $2 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the Matic chart on the short term and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, also fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.